ThermoMaven, they make kitchen appliances and products, and these are their salt and pepper grinders. 2.5 ounce clear see-through bottom, easy and visible to see and very easy to use with the buttons on top. We're going to show you what you get inside and just brief details of how to use it. Battery operated salt and pepper shaker. Going to open it up, show you what you get inside the box and what it's all about. We have the salt and pepper all displayed. You get yourself a brush, an instruction guide to go over, 2 USB-A-C cables to charge your unit with the LED indicator on top. This is the pepper shaker, the USB-C, pepper, nickel plated, with the clear window that lights up with the light on the bottom and the grinder adjustment that you could go from coarse to fine. On the glass area, plastic is a locking mechanism and arrow. Simply grab the unit, rotate, lift up, and you're able to now clean the unit with the brush. This is where the light shines through, all the way through the bottom to the light area over here, as well through the salt and pepper area. This you're able to rinse in water, not the motor itself. When all cleaned up, simply match like for like, arrow to arrow, and lock down. It fits into a nice clear cradle. You are ready to use your salt and pepper grinders. A close-up look at the LED indicator for charging your salt and pepper grinder. Put in your favorite salt, close up, lock into place, and it holds a nice amount of salt. To simply use the product is to grab, already adjusted, and salt is spun out and lit up. Give you a close-up look at the salt coming out. This is a salt and pepper grinder. You could put all your different types of salts and different types of peppers into your grinder. They're very simple and easy to use. On the top are your buttons, lights up for the bottom, and you can simply grind your salt and your pepper. Adjust accordingly to the coarse and the fine that you want by twisting the knob coarse to fine. And there is the light. As you can see, it's grinding its salt and pepper. For cooking on the table, presenting salt and pepper in a nice nickel-plated casing. I hope you enjoy your salt and pepper shaker, and thank you for viewing.